According to the resident of the community, the Plateau State government had on May 17, 2004, constituted a selection committee presided over by late Nde Gofwen, which produced architect Hudu Ibrahim Manomi as a new Sumpiam of Piam Chiefdom. They said the matter was taken to the State High Court, Appeal Court, and Supreme Court, and the selection of the Manomi was affirmed by all the state court, but the state government had refused to abide by the court orders, adding that rather than abide by the court orders, the government chose to recognize Charles Matu Dakat as the Sumpiam of the chiefdom, describing the development as a miscarriage of justice.
Now, with the subsiding judgment orders of the Supreme Court of 1st February 2019, it becomes more worrisome and dismaying that the Plateau State government continued in defiance of the law and the cause of natural justice, not to complete its statutory duty or functions of approving and installing the duly selected Sumpiam of Chiefdom architect Hudu Ibrahim Manomi, but rather choose to recognize and deal with Mr. Charles Matadakat as Sumpiam, whom they clearly and unequivocally proceeded to purportedly produce blazingly in an act of abuse of office.
I will also recall that the Supreme Court had on June 3rd this year asked the State High Court to restore and implement its judgment.
Supreme Court on the 3rd of June 2022 referred that Plateau State Trial Court, the High Court, should be approached to effect and implement its restored judgment via an executory order of enforcement.
The people of the community, however, call on the Plateau State government to follow the path of honor and ensure justice to the community. All attempts to reach Silvanus Tafgun, Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, on the development were not successful. There has been disagreement between the residents of the community and the state government since 2004 on the chieftaincy title in the area, with the aggrieved people saying they still remain obedient, calling on the state government to implement the verdict of the Supreme Court of February. Ado Musa, Trust TV News, Jos.